We also offer a full refurbishment service. Please check with sales for more information. In this video, we will show you how to replace a foil overlay. First, you will need to remove the rubber guard. Then you will need to peel off the old foil. Start from one of the top corners. Carefully peel the foil back. With a slightly damp cloth, wipe away any excess glue left behind from the old foil. The surface should be as clean as possible. Once the surface has been cleaned, use a dry cloth to dry the surface. On the new foil, peel away the back cover to expose the sticky surface. Carefully align the holes on the foil with the LED lights on the remote. Start with the top LED light and then align the top left LED light and work your way down. As you work your way down, do not fully stick the foil down, just rest it on the surface. As you get closer to the bottom, you may notice it has not fully aligned. Simply peel it back a little and adjust. Once you are happy with the alignment, then stick down fully. Please make sure you run your finger over the edges and in between the buttons. The foil needs to be fully stuck down so the remote is sealed. Now refit the rubber guard. Thank you for watching. For all the latest Tele Radio content, please like and subscribe.